the seller part, let us allow a seller to log into his backend. After entering username and password, a seller now able to log into his backend panel. So this is the dashboard of a seller. Here he can view the order, product, sales and the commission and all these details. This is the latest customers and the latest product of the seller. Now moving to order. Here seller can view all the orders. Here this is the order ID, seller, customer name, and this is the status. And from here a seller can change the status of that particular order. If he had shipped the order, he can change the status to shipped. And from here he can view the details of his order. This is the payment sheet, shipping details, customer details and all other details. Now moving to the next part, this is the products under this category. So from here a seller can view the categories of BigCommerce store. Moving to the next part, this is the product. So in this section a seller can able to import and export product, and he is also able to create any new product. He will be able to create the product as the same way as we have discussed earlier. Let us create a new product. Enter the price for the product. Select the text class ID if you want to apply the text. Select the category of the product, bangles. Select the product type as a physical or downloadable product. Enter the weight for the product. And here you need to enter the width, height and depth in centimeter of a product. And now the product code. Let us give the product code. Here you need to take this if you want to apply a free shipping to this product, else you can enter fixed cost shipping price. Here you need to enter the description of the product. Check this available and click on this create button. Here you can view these tabs are available for the seller. Go to the image tab, add image for the product, click on this browse. Suppose add the image. Let us choose this image and click on add image. So here you can view the image is updated. Now moving to the next, this is the inventory. Click as do not track inventory. Here a seller can able to add product option to his product. He need to choose the option set from here. Suppose he had chosen the apparel. And here this is the option name. Here he need to create the SKU. Enter the cost, size small, color, choose a color from here, enter the weight, click on save and close. Now coming to the next field, this is the custom field. Here a seller can create custom field for his product. Suppose yes, click on save. Here the data is updated successfully. Now next is the extra detail. If a seller want to add some extra detail to his product, he can click from here. He can choose a brand name for his product, other details like product warranty. If you want his product to search on keywords, he can enter from here and click on this save button. So here the product is created successfully. To the next part, that is the product import. So for import the product, click on this CSV import product. Select the delimiter as comma or tab or semicolon from here and browse the file for the product in the CSV format. And this is the required field of the product, and here category separator you can write as a percentage and click on the import. So here you can view 7 new products has been added and 3 the products are updated. So in this way you can import the file. Now moving to the next part, this is the export product. Click on the export product. Here you need to give the name of the file and select the output type as the direct download or the screen. Select delimiter as the semicolon, comma or tab. Here as we have chosen the import comma, so we have chosen here the comma. And enter the category separator as the percentage. And this is the primary field. And these are the other fields that you want in your CSV file. Like take those files which you want in your CSV file. You have to take those fields over here. Suppose I want all these fields in my CSV file, so I am taking all these fields and click on the export. So here these items have been exported. So in this way a seller can able to import and export the product. Now coming to the next part, this is the option. Here a seller can able to view the options provided to the BigCommerce store. This is the option name. Next is the seller admin. Here a seller can view his admin which he created. This is the seller admin and this is the status of the admin, and from here a seller can able to disable any admin. And from here a seller is able to edit seller's admin and click on this save. Now let us see how to create a seller's admin. By clicking on this plus, you are able to create a seller's admin. As we have already discussed how to create the seller admin, you have to first enter the name, username, mail ID and the seller, status, phone number, and then click on the create button. In this way you are able to create the seller's admin of a particular seller. And clicking on the seller, here you will find the details of the seller like the seller company, email, date and status, and from here you will be able to edit the details. If you want to change the plan, clicking on the plan, and here this is your current plan. If you want to upgrade your plan and change your plan, you can click on that particular plan and you will be able to change your current plan. Next, coming to the accounting. Here in this section a seller is able to manage the accounting. Here this is the order placement of a seller. This is in pending status, and once an admin approve the status, then this will be completed. And once the product is completed, once an order is completed, then the seller is able to request a withdraw for the admin. From here, this is the seller name, this is the amount a seller want to request to admin. And from here a seller will be able to create withdraw. So in this way seller is able to create a withdraw, and once an admin approves this, then he is able to get the withdraw amount. And this is the total sale, this is the total commission given to the admin, this is the total payout, this is the total withdraw and the balance of seller. Now let us proceed toward the order placement part. This is my storefront, and let us choose a product. Choose the option for the product. Now proceed to checkout. Let me continue as a guest. Here you need to fill the shipping address. Let us give a name of test. New company, to give a number. This is the address. And once you have completed these details, click on continue. Here the payment method is cash on delivery. Now click on the place order. So here your order is placed and your order ID is 119. So let us see what happened at the back end. Go to orders. So here you will find this order, as you have choose, customer have choose the cash on delivery option, so it is awaiting payment. Once you have choose it as a, once the order is completed and admin choose it as a completed, so here go to orders. Click on this synchronize to synchronize the orders from the BigCommerce store to the marketplace. Here the order has been synchronized. Now this is the order ID, this is the order store order ID, the name of the seller, customer name and other details. So from here admin can change the seller status, and on clicking on the order ID, here you can find the order details, customer details and the product details. Here this is the total price of the product, this is the shipping cost of the product, the total amount is 200. It will be distributed between the admin and the seller. Here this is the commission, 2% commission of an admin. Here this is the payout of that particular seller. So let us check the sellers panel. This is the seller panel, and here in the order section you will find these order details of this seller, and by clicking on this order ID, a seller can view the complete detail about this order, and here he can view how this amount will get distributed among this seller and the admin. So in this way, this app can manage the distribution of commission and distribution of the amount between the sellers and the admin. So that's all for the BigCommerce multi-vendor marketplace. Thank you so much.